Therapy isn't just aesthetics, it's a deep emotional layered journey.
And this is the subject I'm going to do.
So, one thing you were running away from, stats and biology, it came back to your platform.
Back to दूसरा कोई बता रहा है कि आप ये हो
But what do you think is that one thing that requires for someone to become a psychologist?
what to ask, when to pause, why to ask. You have to have those clear understanding of these things. There is another concept of JOMO,
Yes, ma'am. Joy
Right.
of missing out.
joy of missing out, and see and find out who is reaching you when you are not reaching to them.
Communication with boundaries, basically.
एंड बाउंड्रीज ऑल्सो मीन्स कि आप अपने इमोशंस को पहले समझिए तो
क्या चीज़ करने के बाद ऑथेंटिक है, क्योंकि मुझे लगता है एक वीकेंड का कोर्स करने के बाद लोग अपने आप को साइकोलॉजिस्ट बता देते हैं.
और मे बी अ डिप्लोमा इवन.
सबको लगता है साइकोलॉजी इज अबाउट अंडरस्टैंडिंग अदर्स, बट व्हाट अबाउट आवरसेल्व्स? Psychology is beyond books, textbooks, Instagram, and even about assumptions. Therapy isn't just aesthetics, it's a deep emotional layered journey. Welcome to this third episode of Inside the Minds. My name is Nandini Sharma, counseling psychologist, and your host for the day. Today, with us, we have someone who's really special, who just does not live but breathes this field. With us, we have Dr. Sindhuja Mishra. She's a guest lecturer, founder of Psychology Education Platform that reaching students and professionals across the country. She's an HR expert, a psychologist, a educationist, a management strategist, mental health advocate, certified corporate posh trainer with 25 plus years of impact in academia, training, and corporate development. Thank you so much, ma'am. We welcome you.
Thank you so much, Nandini, for inviting me to your platform. And let's see how I can be valuable to your platform.
So, ma'am, starting off with this podcast, I want to start with the most basic question.
Right.
You are a psychologist, and when you did psychology, it was long way back.
Right.
So, what made you go for psychology, and what was that one moment where you thought, okay, I want to do this? What was that one moment?
Okay. I remember it was, I must be in class, I think 8th or 9th something. And one of my cousins, she was pursuing her graduation with psychology. So she took me as a, subject. And she did certain, some test on me. I do not remember. Might be it was something related to interest or the personality. But when she did it, and then she concluded and she told me, this is who you are. And that was something like, oh, how did you get to know? So I got to know that this is one subject. And it was very fascinating. Oh, this is something I would also like to learn. As it is, I was, struggling with math, science. So I thought this could be my escape mechanism. And this is the subject I'm going to do, right? And with this, but irony that I was running from maths, I was running from biology, and these two subjects again they came back in a more refined manner. You being a psychologist, you know you cannot escape statistics, you cannot escape
Biology.
biopsychology. So these all things I had to face further. And on top of that, English was another thing, because I was a Hindi medium girl, and it was a difficult thing for me to cope up with the psychology, because that time when you talk to professors about the subject and all, no Hindi writers were there. Indian writers were very very less. Hindi writers were there, and the books they recommended what books you should study. This must be Coffer and Apley. You take Woodward Strasberg. You take Morgan and King. You take Blum and Naylor. You take Barron and Barron, and it was like no Hindi writers were there. So this was difficult. Again, back to psychology, English, mathematics, statistics, and all these things together. But I really enjoyed, and it was my calling, I think.
So, one thing you were running away from, stats and biology, it came back to your platform.
Back to, yeah.
Nice. And one more thing, you got the privilege of being the subject. We always miss it. When we bring the subject to our college for the experiments, यूज्ड टू थिंक यार हम पे भी कोई टेस्ट कर दे,
हाँ,
हमारा भी
ये बहुत बड़ी
इंटरप्रिटेशन
चीज होती
एनालिसिस
है
आ
कि जब
जाएगा।
हमारा तो इनिशिएटिव वहीं से हुआ
हाँ
कि आपको दूसरा कोई बता रहा है कि आप ये हो।
ये हो।
So,
Okay, so moving ahead, ma'am, if I would ask you to rate your experience in psychology as psychologists and in this field out of 10, being very real, ground reality, how much would you rate it?
you're talking about my knowledge
Your
and
experience,
my experience. I would say
your
that yes.
college, your struggle, your internships, everything.
So out of 10, if you ask me to rate it,
Hmm.
I still say that there's a lot many things I really want to learn
Hmm.
and to groom up with.
Hmm.
But as of now, I would say 6 maybe.
Good,
Around 6.
nice.
Yeah,
That's very real.
that's
Okay,
that's there.
so हम साइकोलॉजी बहुत रोमांटिसाइज वर्ड है, मतलब लोगों को लगता है जस्ट बिकॉज आई एम अ गुड लिसनर
Hmm.
आई कैन एडवाइस, मैंने अपने दोस्तों को हमेशा बहुत एडवाइस दी है, तो मेरा तो हमेशा से ये था,
हाँ,
दिस इज
हाँ.
व्हाट पीपल थिंक, बट व्हाट डू यू थिंक इज दैट वन थिंग दैट रिक्वायर्स फॉर समवन टू बिकम अ साइकोलॉजिस्ट? वो एक ऐसी क्या स्किल है? एम्पैथी, एक्टिव लिसनिंग, तो ये हम हर जगह सुनते हैं, इट्स एवरी टाइम एवरीवेयर, हर स्टूडेंट का एक आंसर होता है, but what is that one skill that is very underrated and which is required for someone to become a psychologist?
Okay. So for this, I would say that psychologist, as it is, when you do your masters with psychology, so you are a psychologist. But it is not only the degree which will be taking you to places. You have to have a clear understanding of the concepts, the theories, everything you have learned. But this is not you must have attempted certain questions that in the initial years. Psychology is a science or art,
Art.
right? So when it comes to science, it is, yes, you have those conceptual clarity and all. But when it comes to art, this is how you are going to. So what is it is not only what you have learned, but how you are
How.
going to use it, right? So you have to have a very deep understanding of these concepts. You have to be very clear about assessments, the tools, the techniques. You have to have a research orientation as to what is coming up, what is the new thing, right? You need to update yourself on this. Also, you have to upskill your thing, because
Definitely.
whatever you have learned, maybe very soon it will be obsolete, and it may be having contradiction as
Obviously.
well. So you have to have a wider perspective to deal with different kind of people and different kind of situations. So what I understand is upskilling. You cannot download everything, right?
Obviously.
So you need to upskill yourself to a level that you are able to cater to the people
Needs of people.
So
Okay.
that is
So
what
it's deeper understanding, observation, therapeutic interventions,
you need to
skills,
learn. Not only
practical experience.
yeah, this is okay. Yeah, everybody can reach me. I am a confident. Everybody share things to me. So that's good. That is something which maybe, yeah, you may be having those foundation thing, but it is not only foundation. No, you have to build a taller building on this. So different layers of understanding, your comprehension, your theory, assessment, tools, therapeutic intervention, what to ask, when to ask. While you are talking only, you have to develop your assessment. You have to have a conceptual clarity as to what would be the real struggle. It is not only what people are telling you. Majorly this happens when people are telling you that this is the case, this person has anger issues. You talk to the person, you'll find the person has grief rather than anger. So what is being said, what is being hidden, read between the lines. And that communication, right? Very important.
Very
Communication.
important.
What to ask, when to pause, why to ask. You have to have those clear understanding of these things. So, and it comes like you have those foundation, you have those conceptual clarity, but you cannot learn swimming by just understanding how to swim. No?
You have to
get
practice.
dive into. Yeah.
Yes.
So
You
that
have
is
to go
what it-
deeper to be skilled in
Yes, yes.
perfection उसमें आने के लिए.
right.
Ma'am, अभी we just discussed what are those skills जो और required हैं for someone to become a psychologist. What do you think is the one of the most misunderstood thing in this field?
Misunderstood is like people, they take it as they know that this is important, but people do not like to invest on these things. that counseling, therapies, and all these things you need to pay,
Hmm.
right? So they find that this is important, but since there is no product rather,
Hmm.
right, it is only services.
Hmm.
So they do not feel that this is something worth paying for.
Paying for.
You are not giving any medicine, you are not doing anything on me. Like in therapy they must be understanding that you will be doing certain thing on them, and that is how they will get relief, like
Hmm.
some of the healers and
Hmm.
different alternative therapies they do.
Hmm.
So this is one thing, and they think that you go to a psychologist and they will be giving you a ready-made solution.
हाँ, मैजिक वॉन्ड घुमाया
Yeah.
हो गया.
सब कुछ हो जाएगा, बस आप उनके पास पहुंच जाइए.
Hmm.
So this is the biggest
Misunderstood.
misunderstanding that way, कि इसमें आपको पेमेंट की क्या जरूरत है.
Also, that's why people call going to mountains therapeutic, क्योंकि वहाँ पैसा दिया है तो व्यू तो मिल रहा
व्यू
है.
तो मिल रहा है. हाँ,
कैफे चले गए
actually.
दोस्तों के साथ बात
मतलब
कर
मेनी
ली.
अदर थिंग्स हम तो अपने लिए ये कर लेते हैं, वो कर लेते हैं, गुड इनफ. As long, see, it's like you have to see the normal range, right?
Hmm.
And you have to see if you're fluctuating around the normal range,
Hmm.
things are open.
Right.
Okay, right? You can take whatever you
Want,
feel like, but if you see that there are steep things are there,
Hmm.
very high, very low, so that means things are getting out of control, right? So in that
And
case,
just
you need to
mountains
have
are not
to-
enough.
Yeah, those mountains, only the music and all these journaling, everything. These all things matter, but around the normal range,
Hmm.
right? Up and down. But steep thing, that means you have to have somebody to help you out. So
True.
this is what. should be
So,
taken.
ma'am, the next question that I have would take another complete episode, but I just want to get your opinion on this. Ma'am, what would you think of AI as a therapist? I mean, I'll just give an example. Recently, I had a fight with one of my friends, and when I spoke to ChatGPT about it, ChatGPT, I just fell in love because ChatGPT understood everything I was going through,
Hmm.
and ChatGPT agreed with me.
Hmm.
ChatGPT told me that my emotions are valid. It's natural. I feel this way.
Hmm.
I felt relieved.
Hmm.
It was like I felt heard. Someone understood me. But as a psychologist, I understand how, to me, it has a different definition. I want to understand what's your opinion on this.
So involvement of AI into these therapeutic thing, I would say that this is very fascinating to me as well. I do not deny the fact that it is there, and people are using it. But again, I would say that who is the person behind this AI content and all?
Hmm.
Of course, some human being,
Hmm.
right? So, and if you have put up your query to ChatGPT and it has given a solution, because you already this AI has already have your profile
Hmm.
scrutinized, right? That you are a person, you have this kind of
They
profile.
have all our
So what
info.
could be the suitable,
Hmm.
right? So they are just serving the suitable all things there, which you find soothing,
Hmm.
right? It may be that your thoughts are not very valid, right? In that case, if you just counter ChatGPT that you are telling me this, I think this should be the answer,
Hmm.
and it will immediately agree to it. Yeah, you are right. This could be another thing. So they are also juggling. They are making the things, but yes, when it comes to somebody who is always available to you,
Hmm.
right? Because when you to talk to a counselor, they said
Pay them.
you have to pay, you have to
Invest,
adjust yourself
yes.
to their timeline.
Right.
Whereas ChatGPT, if you are not feeling good, you on in the night and you talk to the.
But we shouldn't
Things-
be calling it therapy, right?
No, it will definitely not be a therapy.
Because
Therapy
if-
has a lot
yeah.
of things to be done.
Yeah.
See, it's a one-to-one conversation, right?
Hmm.
Yet you have to understand why you are what you are going to ask, why
Hmm.
you are asking,
Hmm.
what could be the alternative way of asking it,
Hmm.
when to ask, not to ask, hold, pause, comprehend, and conceptualize the case, and then come up with certain hypothetical things,
Hmm.
getting it validated from the person. Is it something you have? So personal touch, the modulation, the voice, these all things matter for us. I mean, you say, yeah, good morning, ChatGPT will reply you good morning. So that effect of sound which we are ready to and accepting, that may be missing. You cannot talk to ChatGPT in the similar, that emotional thing will not be there. You are with ChatGPT on a conceptual level, right, on a logical level. But when it comes to emotions, calming down, there are certain other things apart
take
from
care of.
this thing.
Ma'am, going by your theory, I think my chat GPT has understood that I need validation and I have trust issues. So every time I ask something, my chat GPT comes up with same
It would
similar
definitely
to
would
it.
be having
My
your,
data, it does
your
have.
data, your earlier complaints or whatever thoughts you have had, and on the basis of the same, it has given you
My chat GPT always asks me, "Hi Nandini, I know you had a very rough day." My chat GPT knows it. Okay.
So these all things matter, yes.
Okay. So this brings us to the second segment, confusion, career, and scope. So, ma'am, let's talk about something that's very important, initial, and essential to every student who's getting into the field of psychology. इसमें scope क्या है? So, even me, when we get into this field, so the first question is कि अच्छा इसके बाद क्या? So we're left with that question mark. कहाँ जाए? So, what do you think is the real scope of psychology in India?
All right. So once again, being in teaching, I will take you back to your foundational years only. What is the scope of psychology? And you must have attempted this question in your examination as well. Yeah, scope in this field, this field, this field, right? So what psychology is study of human behavior, right? So wherever there are human, there is a scope. It is up to you to find out as to what could, how you can, serve this particular segment. So like we do research, when we do dissertation and research, we need to be sorted as to, do you want, what is really, what you are really bothered about. Are you bothered about this particular segment of the society, the females of the society, the underprivileged of the society, the handicapped of the society? What particular segment of the society
you want to work upon or
you want to do,
engage in,
right?
Okay.
So there is your calling. There you can do a lot of research, you can serve, you can go for volunteer work, right? It is not only all the work, when you talk about scope, it is not only that the return, the materialistic return, right? There could be certain other things which can help you grow and at least test yourself. Do you really have the knowledge
in
to
you.
serve the people, or it is like just because of the degree you are taking it up? So scope is there, but yes, it should not be confined to one particular area, right? Maybe you can funnel down on the basis of the area of the psychology as well. That I want to work on clinical side or maybe counseling side. Maybe you can do this thing, but I would definitely suggest you add colors in your life, not only black and white. This is what I learned and this is what I'm going to do. Right? See what could be the different combination of what you have learned. So that will be adding. Otherwise, very soon your thing will also be very monotonous. Every time you are doing counseling, every time you are doing assessment only, we grow with the variety and novelty. Definitely. Right? And so you need to explore as to what could be your calling.
True. And like you said, human behavior is actually very dynamic. It's holistic, and the more you study, the more you will get to know about it. So it's better actually to हर जगह try what you can serve.
और आपको दिखेगा वंस मतलब मैंने जब भी साइकोलॉजी पढ़ा, मैं हमेशा बच्चों को ये कहती हूँ कि इसको अप्लाई करो अपनी लाइफ में, एंड देन यू विल नॉट बी रिक्वायर्ड टू to remember those theories. Apply it and it will be there at the back of your mind, and you will not never going to forget about it. तो वो चीज आप जब करेंगे, आप सीखेंगे, तो आपको खुद में भी अच्छा लगेगा कि अच्छा, this is also something we can do, right?
Ma'am, you just said कि आप बच्चों को बताती हैं whatever students you have, you tell them the same thing. Talking about your work, ma'am, you yourself have a beautiful organization where you serve this beautiful purpose to children of different schools, colleges. So, ma'am, I want to know this is a sub question. I would want to know that what kind of children you come across, students, what kind of mind they have, and how do you serve this purpose?
Hmm. You know, some people just take it because no other option was there.
Hmm.
There are certain other people that those students, they will be seeing that they have seen some cases in their household or maybe some movies,
Hmm.
and these things have got them fascinated, and they decided for this career. So they are very inquisitive, but many times I find that they do not have that, the clear understanding of the basic concepts of psychology, right? So because they are just learning, mugging it up and writing it down
Hmm.
and getting the exam cleared so that they have a certification and they can practice. But there comes an ethical, a moral liability also when you see there are ample of resources, brain anatomy, human anatomy, the neurosciences, anything, everything is available. No restrictions are there, right? But these, you cannot, you have done a homeopathic, you have read a homeopathic book, but you cannot prescribe medicine to anybody else, no?
Obviously.
Of course you can try on yourself, that is again a risk. So you have to take a very calculated risk, right?
Let's not take that risk.
So,
That too.
but when it involves somebody else is getting involved,
Hmm.
so you have to be very authentic, very
Nice.
there is a liability for the person.
Definitely.
So these students, if they want to, I mean, my courses are there, like 50% would be classroom and 50% would be exposure to different branches or
Practical
different
field
practical
experience.
fields of the mental health organization. And some of the students, after this exposure, they back up, this is not my college, I don't want to get into this. मैम काउंसलिंग तो मेरे से नहीं होगा, ये तो
नहीं
बहुत ही
हो पाएगा।
ड्रेनिंग है,
हाँ।
आई कैन नॉट डू दिस, क्लिनिकल आई डोंट वांट टू गो. एंड सम ऑफ देम वाज देयर कि नहीं मैम साइकोलॉजी मैंने ऐसे ही ले लिया था, साइकोलॉजी
मैम बस
बहुत कम है,
हाँ
बहुत कम है, इतनी मेहनत नहीं कर पाएंगे, सो आई एम
हम
लीविंग
गलती
इट
से आ
नाउ.
गए हो यहाँ पे।
तो ये स्टूडेंट्स हैं, लेकिन उनके साथ वही चीज है कि सीखते चलिए, करते चलिए, बढ़ते चलिए. You cannot be just master is there in your field. You cannot be a master. You are on paper you are master, but to master the content in the real field, you have to have a stepwise procedure. It will be coming in layers. Gradually you will get to know what is there, and then you can
Proceed.
further.
Okay. So, like I asked, ma'am, I think the initial step should be understanding the field itself. Like, what is psychology? How is it different from psychiatry? What is counseling psychology? What is clinical psychology? Which brings me to the most important question of this segment. Ma'am, being a psychology student and being someone who I'm a Lucknow based psychologist, so I know the scope of psychology in Lucknow. I've done a lot of internships and everything. But before that, I would want to tell you, ma'am, that there is a silent war which all of us have fought. And that silent war is between counseling psychology and clinical psychology,
Yes.
which is very evident um, on the basis of number of students there are in clinical and counseling. प्रॉपर डिफरेंस है मैम बच्चों का, बिकॉज दे डू नॉट हैव एन अंडरस्टैंडिंग. और एक अगर मैं बहुत ब्लंट बोलूँ तो काउंसलिंग साइकोलॉजी नहीं है, बात ही करनी होती है. काउंसलिंग साइकोलॉजी का कोई स्कोप नहीं है, क्लिनिकल का है. सो मैम आई वुड वांट यू टू गिव योर ओपिनियन ऑन दिस वन कंफ्यूजन.
Okay. So see, in our time, it was psychology, only psychology.
नो डाइवर्जन.
No diversions were there, no other stream wise. I mean, of course, you can do your research or your project or your dissertation in one of the topic of different field of your choice, of course. लेकिन उस समय इतना ज़्यादा ये सारी चीज़ें नहीं थी. Gradually around, I think around 98 or 2000, certain some other players of education came into picture, and then these things started taking up. Clinical, now everybody is talking about clinical. Some people, they have a very clear understanding कि नहीं मेरे को तो clinical में ही जाना है,
yes,
काउंसलिंग में नहीं जाना है, right? तो मेरा जो है मतलब no offense as such, clinical is of course a very specialized field, right? but it is rather on a taken on a very high hype these days. Even school counseling, maybe you do. Why you have to have a clinical psychologist? Why not a simple psychologist can work serve there?
Hmm.
See, clinical is like doing the assessment and dealing with the people who are on a, you know, on a very diverse range
Hmm.
of normal curve, right? So क्लिनिकल वहाँ पे आपका बहुत अच्छा वर्क करता है, लेकिन ये दोनों चीजें देखो हैंड इन हैंड, क्लिनिकल एंड काउंसलिंग।
Exactly.
आप क्लिनिकल में असेसमेंट करके और क्या करोगे? काउंसलिंग ही
थेरेपी
तो
के लिए
करोगे।
काउंसलिंग,
यू विल
हाँ.
बी डूइंग सर्टन, ठीक है, आप यू विल बी डूइंग अ थेरेपी, यू विल, if it is a average emotional or day to day challenges cases, so maybe your counseling can work, right? If the person is having some trouble with the career, so maybe a guidance will work there, right? तो ये जो कंपार्टमेंटेशन हम लोगों ने किया हुआ कि क्लिनिकल ही काउंसलिंग ही, ये हमको लगता है कि जस्ट ओवरडू है। और इसमें थोड़ा सा इसमें टाइम देना पड़ेगा। क्लिनिकल और काउंसलिंग दोनों चीजें साथ साथ जाती है। जब हम लोग भी कोई केसेस करते हैं तो इट इज नॉट ओनली माय साइकियाट्रिस्ट माइट बी देयर कि ठीक है, इफ प्रॉब्लम इज वेरी एक्यूट, सो ओनली काउंसलिंग विल नॉट वर्क। आपको पहले फार्माकोलॉजी कुछ उस पर करना पड़ेगा, ठीक है, कुछ थेरेपी आपको उसमें लगानी पड़ेगी, काउंसलिंग उसमें लगानी पड़ेगी। सो इट इज अ ग्रुप एफर्ट, अ टीम एफर्ट। तो आप ये लर्न कर सकते हैं, सीख सकते हैं, कोलैब कर सकते हैं और चीज़ों को आगे ले जा सकते हैं। लेकिन क्यों केवल क्लिनिकल और काउंसलिंग, क्लिनिकल और काउंसलिंग? आई एम नॉट सीइंग एनी अदर फील्ड these days, whereas there are so many new things like behavioral economics is there, right? This therapies, art therapy is there, music therapy is there, right? And this branding, you talk about marketing, everywhere the impact is to be given on the human being. So who else can understand a human better than a psychologist, right? तो क्लिनिकल और काउंसलिंग से हट के भी कुछ सोचें, कुछ डिफरेंट कॉम्बिनेशंस कैन बी देयर, नई फील्ड्स आ रही हैं, न्यूट्रिशन साइकोलॉजी इज देयर, पॉजिटिव साइकोलॉजी इज देयर,
स्पोर्ट्स साइकोलॉजी
स्पोर्ट्स साइकोलॉजी इज सो मच इन, राइट? तो थिंग्स आर देयर, केवल क्लिनिकल और काउंसलिंग के उसमें ना फंसे।
So as a student, they have to explore what is their expertise in, what would they be passionate about. So first they have to introspect first.
They need to introspect first। और मेरा ये एक बेसिक फंडा जो हम कहते हैं कि the more close you are with the nature, the easier the life is, your nature or the nature, right? So nature,
both nature
nature
nature.
so nature से बहुत deviation करिए नहीं, क्लिनिकल हमको करना है क्योंकि इसी की डिमांड है, it may be difficult for you। आपका क्या नेचर है? if you need to, in that case I would say go get into positive psychology, check about your strengths, what are your strength areas, work on your strength and you will be making it, right? So not only clinical counseling, लेकिन अपने आप को समझने के लिए you take the help of positive as well।
Okay, so ma'am, in tier 2 cities like Lucknow, students often feel lost. They do not know what to do, where to do it. So I would want you to tell me, ma'am, that how important are these internships and practical experience is, how many opportunities are here, and also I would like to reflect some light on paid internships, ma'am.
Okay, so see, when it comes to internship, it is part of the curriculum। So one is there that you have to do, but you have to be very sorted as to where you are getting it done। Many a time people are, students are rushing to big organizations, mental health organization, hospitals, and they do not because this could be their first internship only, and they are supposed to learn by themselves। Nobody is there to tell you as to
Facilitate
what
them.
you need to observe, how you can formulate a case, what you need to skip, right? So those nitty-gritties are very important। So I would suggest that initial level, do not rush for big giants, because there you will be just directly into the river and you have to find out the way। Nobody is going to do a hand holding for you, which is very important at the initial stage। Once you have a bad experience, maybe you
It stays with
back
you,
out from the
and
field
stays with you
entirely।
forever.
Yes, so be very sorted, go for offline mode
Practical
learning,
field experience,
right?
okay.
And might be having lot many things in your mind, right? I always say that whatever is coming in your mind, just jot it down, right? Ask the person who is giving you internship. It should not be only downloading of the information. As it is, you got downloaded in the class. Now again in the field also you are getting downloaded, but you have to comprehend and correlate what you have learned in the class and how it is applicable there, right? Because once you are in the field, you may be finding that there could be 8 or 10 steps to be followed when you are getting a counseling done. But when in actual, there might not be, you may be thinking that first step I have missed. Oh, I have missed this thing. So this could be your own way of getting evolving and getting to know as to what to serve, right? So when it comes to paid internships, I would say that you have to check the authenticity of the organization who are giving you certification, and what is the validity of these certification, how authentic these are. It is suggestive to go for some government related organizations who are registered, not only you are doing it with
Like
freelancers or
Ibhas.
yes. So you
It shows you the ugly face of psychology if you go to Ibhas.
yeah, many organizations are doing. I mean, they are
I
giving the
always wanted to
PG
do
PG
it.
certifications as well, right? So you have to be very sorted कि कहाँ से आपको करना है, कितना ऑथेंटिक है जिससे आप कर रहे हैं, और आपको साथ साथ सीखने के उससे करना है। ये नहीं कि वो आपको सिखाएंगे, आपको सीखना होगा।
सीखना है.
सो यू हैव टू बी इंक्विजिटिव, यू हैव टू जॉट डाउन योर क्वेश्चंस कि क्या क्या हमको पूछना है, कैसे करना है। इनिशियल लेवल पे बहुत बड़े ऑर्गेनाइजेशन से मत स्टार्ट करिए, आप बहुत कंफ्यूज रहेंगे। आपको बस एक रिपोर्ट किसी तरह से आपको करना होगा, आपको लगेगा कि पूरा टाइम चला गया, हमने कुछ ऐसा किया नहीं, राइट? तो ये सारे स्टेज इसी समय आप सीखते भी हैं। केवल नेम सेक के लिए किसी से सर्टिफिकेट करवा लिया पेमेंट करके और आपने सोचा आपने इंटर्नशिप कर लिया, आपको ये देखना है कि मेजरली जो हम लोग करते हैं, हम किसी को पेमेंट देते हैं तो हम उससे अच्छे से अच्छा सामान लेने की कोशिश करेंगे ना। तो वो अच्छे से अच्छा सामान, दूसरा तो आपको कुछ भी थमा देगा ना कि ये पढ़ लो, ये कर लो। आपको देखना है कि हमको क्या चाहिए, एंड यू हैव टू सी टू व्हाट एक्सटेंट योर रिक्वायरमेंट्स कैन बी इम्बाइब्ड इन द करिकुलम। और पेड इंटर्नशिप करिए, उसमें कोई आप अनपेड भी कर सकते हैं। यू कैन कोलैब ऑल्सो, यू कैन असिस्ट द पर्सन, राइट? शैडोइंग इज अनदर थिंग। आप किसी के साथ जुड़ करके काम समझिए, वॉलंटियर करिए, कम्युनिटीज ज्वाइन करिए, एनजीओ ज्वाइन करिए। सो अपने आप को आपको डेवलप करना इज योर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी। कैसे आपको करना है, कई एक रास्ते हैं, लेकिन आपको उस रास्ते में हो सकता है कि और कैसे किया जा सकता है। तो यू कैन रीच टू अ काउंसलर, they can guide you as to what are the things available and how you can go about it, designing your own path your own way.
Okay, that's beautiful. I just want to share something here, ma'am. मैंने अपने 5 साल की पूरी स्टडी में साइकोलॉजी की एक बेस्ट इंटर्नशिप की थी. I did it in Delhi. There was this center जहाँ पे there was a clinical psychologist, a counseling psychologist and a psychiatrist. 3 were there. तो हमें तीनों का exposure मिला. The best thing about that organization was, ma'am, that we were set free to observe whatever we want. We were, मतलब पहली बार हमें patients या clients का exposure मिला था. We were there observing them, their behavior. जितना हमने मैम उस ऑब्जर्वेशन से सीखा है, उतना मुझे लगता है हमने सारी इंटर्नशिप मिला के भी नहीं सीखा. बिकॉज व्हेन यू सी ह्यूमंस बिहेविंग इन अ सर्टेन वे, यू क्वेश्चन, यू कम अप विद अ लॉट ऑफ आंसर्स, बहुत सारी पॉसिबिलिटीज के साथ. सो दैट वाज अमेजिंग.
और वही चीज लगती है आपको कि हम जो डीएसएम में और आईसीडी में पढ़ रहे हैं, ये एक्चुअल में है सामने, आपको वो डटने की जरूरत नहीं है. इन माय केसेस ऑल्सो, हम बच्चों को जब लेकर के जाते हैं तो हम कहते हैं, जैसे अभी आप बात कर रहे थे, वो सिजोफ्रेनिया पेशेंट है, हम सिजोफ्रेनिया पेशेंट ऐसे होता है, हमने तो वो पढ़ा था, हमने तो ये
पॉजिटिव सिम्पटम, नेगेटिव सिम्पटम,
हाँ, व्हाट इज मिसिंग, पॉजिटिव सिम्पटम्स, तो ये तो था मैम, हाँ ये तो था मैम. तो वहां से जो आप याद कर, आपके दिमाग में वो एक ना इम्प्रेशन आ जाता है कि दिस इज व्हाट इट इज, और वो आपके साथ रहेगा.
मैम सेम चीज उन्होंने भी, हमारे जो वहाँ पे डॉक्टर थे, उन्होंने भी एक सेम, ही सेड समथिंग व्हिच ऑलवेज स्टेड विद मी. उन्होंने कहा था आप कितने सीबीटी प्रैक्टिशनर कोर्सेज कर लो, कितने डीबीटी एसएफबीटी कर लो, बट द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट एसेंशियल नॉलेज जो आपको मिलनी है वो आपको बुक से मिलेगी. सो आप अपने बायो के आगे लगा दो सीबीटी प्रैक्टिशनर, यू विल नॉट बिकम अ सीबीटी प्रैक्टिशनर अगर आपको सही से कॉग्निटिव डिस्टॉर्शन समझ नहीं आएगा, आप उसको देखोगे नहीं इंसान में. So this is something that was amazing.
हाँ, ये और ये सब आपको जानते हैं, ये इवन आप जब आप इंटर्नशिप करने जाइए, जैसे आपने अभी बोला ना, द सेम काइंड वी आई हैव आल्सो हैव फील।
Yes.
तो हमारी जो टीम है उसमें वी हैव अ क्लिनिकल साइकोलॉजिस्ट फ्रॉम निमहांस CIP रांची, वी हैव अ साइकेट्रिस्ट, वी हैव
Okay.
NLP प्रैक्टिशनर,
Okay.
NLP कोच। सो
Hmm.
इस तरह से जब आप करते हैं ना, तो कई वो आपको बच्चों को एक वाव वाला मोमेंट देता है कि अच्छा ये भी होता है मैम, ये तो हम करने जा रहे हैं। तो वो चीज़ आपके लिए भी अच्छी होती है, आप मतलब एज अ प्रैक्टिशनर भी हमको अच्छा लगता है
Right.
कि आई कुड सर्व टू द पर्पस इन अ बेटर वे। और उसके साथ साथ जो आपका क्लाइंटेल होता है, आपके बच्चे होते हैं, स्टूडेंट्स होते हैं, उनको भी जस्टिफाइड लगता है कि दिस इज समथिंग आई पेड। मतलब मेरे उसमें इनिशियली व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड आई वाज लिटिल स्केप्टिकल कि ठीक है हम एसोसिएटेड हैं, बट वेयर डू आई स्टैंड इन द मार्केट। And when I floated my thing with the fees, so my initial batch was only 3 or 4 people, and in last 1 year we did almost 5 to 6 internships, और लास्ट बैच वाज अराउंड 25। तो उसमें क्या रहा था, बच्चों को बाद में लगा कि मैम हमको इतना कुछ सीखने को मिला कि हमको लगता है ये फीस उसके लिए सही थी, बल्कि थोड़ा और ले लेते और हम लोग के लिए स्नैकिंग का भी यहाँ पे अरेंजमेंट हो जाता, तो दैट कुड हैव बीन बेस्ट। So because I asked them कि what more you expected, so this was the feedback, and this gives me कि thought कि ठीक है, maybe I have started on the right track and it will go.
Gave you power. So that's really nice, ma'am, and I would want every psychology student, aspirant, whoever is watching this video, it's a great platform that you have where you're enriching students with so much experience. So I would want everyone to reach you out.
Thank you.
And thank you so much for giving this opportunity to students in Lucknow, ma'am. So this brings us to the segment 3, the Lucknow lens. Ma'am, I really wanted to know, do you feel that people are still opening up to therapy or are avoiding it in Lucknow?
Okay, so Lucknow, long way to go, I must say. Though it has done a lot of work towards this journey, but yes, therapy is not everyone's choice, not even counseling. क्योंकि बहुत सी there are so many fads on the social media, आप ये कर लीजिए, ऐसे कर लीजिए, and you will be feeling happy, do this, do that, है ना? तो बहुत सी वो जो चीज़ें हैं वो भी लोग ट्राई करते हैं। कई बार उनको क्लियर होता है कि ये सब साइकोलॉजी कुछ नहीं होता, काउंसलिंग कुछ नहीं होता, डॉक्टर के पास जाओ, दे विल प्रेफर साइकेट्रिस्ट कि सीधे जाइए, आपको दवाई देते हैं, दे आर सेटिस्फाइड कि ठीक है, आपको कुछ आपको हमने खाया और हम ठीक हो गए। और दैट इज अनदर वे ऑफ ट्रीटिंग द पीपल। लेकिन यस, काउंसलिंग, थेरेपी, इन सब चीज़ों को लेकर के अभी भी काफ़ी चीज़ें डेवलप होने की ज़रूरत है। लोगों के पास अभी भी बहुत कुछ है कि ये सब चीज़ें नहीं होती हैं, और अगर वो जाते भी हैं तो दे आर मोर कंसर्न कि हमको मिला क्या, हमसे लिया आपने ये और हमको मिला क्या, इन रिटर्न आपने कुछ किया क्या, बात तो की केवल हमसे, केवल 35 मिनट, 40 मिनट, 1 घंटा केवल बातें तो की, लेकिन आपका वो टाइम आप इन्वेस्ट करते हैं, सो यू नीड अ रिटर्न ऑन दैट। एंड इट इज अगेन अ सेइंग कि व्हाट यू आर गुड एट, इफ यू आर गिविंग इट एट at no charge, then how you will be managing your life expenses? जिस चीज में आप अच्छे हो वो भी आप फ्री में दे दो, आप तो बनाते हो, आप फ्री में कर दो हमारी काउंसलिंग, है ना? तो वो एक मॉनेटरी एस्पेक्ट जो होता है, प्राइसिंग इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्टर इन पीपल्स माइंड इन लखनऊ। हैं क्लाइंट्स ऐसे भी हैं, दे आर ओके विद योर चार्जेस, इट हैज टू बी डिसेंट इनफ सीइंग देयर टू सिटी, और लोग पेमेंट भी करते हैं, लेकिन मेजरली पीपल आर लाइक कि बच्चे की प्रॉब्लम है, ये तो ऐसे ही हो जाते हैं, कुछ दिन की बात है, ये चला जाएगा, ये हो जाएगा, अपने आप हो जाएगा, हम लोग के साथ भी ऐसा हुआ था। अब थिंग्स आर चेंज, तो एक माइंडसेट भी चेंज होने की ज़रूरत है कि नहीं, आपको ठीक है चीज़ें चेंज हो रही हैं, वही वाली चीज़ जो हमने बेसिक फॉर्मूला रखा कि बहुत स्टीप अप एंड डाउन हो रहा है तो आप नहीं हैंडल कर सकते, थोड़ा बहुत रिवॉल्व कर रहा है आपके नॉर्मल लाइन के आसपास,
तो कुछ चेंजेस करके
ठीक है, कुछ करके आप देख सकते हैं। सो मॉनेटरी एस्पेक्ट इज वन थिंग, द मेंटालिटी इज अनदर थिंग व्हिच नीड टू अगेन वर्क अपॉन।
Ma'am, obviously, I mean, every human believes कि अगर हम अपनी जेब से पैसा दे रहे हैं तो हमें कुछ in handy return मिलना चाहिए. Even if they go to a doctor and they give 700 अपॉइंटमेंट, तो वो हफ्ते में 3 बार फिर जाएंगे. अगर डॉक्टर ने कहा है कि अगले सैटरडे आइएगा तो वो उससे पहले भी एक बार चले जाएंगे. So they want to make a complete use out of their money.
Yes.
And in therapy आपको कुछ in handy ऐसे नहीं मिलता. It's always a change in your behavior, an easier life.
Easier life.
So
और coping up with the challenges you are
going through.
तो वो चीजें हैं
वो दिखती है in your day to day life. Your life becomes easy. जो लोग they do not think of it as an outcome, right? Ma'am, talking about the financial aspect, ma'am, do you think therapy एक privilege बन चुकी है? Like people want it, but they cannot afford it, and at times it's also very fancy. I'm going for therapy and all, so people do flex about it, and people fantasize it like something very different, unobvious. So what do you feel about that, ma'am?
See, number one thing is कि एक तो थेरेपी इटसेल्फ एक अलग ही माइंडसेट लोगों का बना देता है. साइकोलॉजिकल थेरेपी इज नॉट काइंड ऑफ फिजियोथेरेपी कि अब हम लेट जाएंगे और फ्रॉइड वाला कॉन्सेप्ट कुछ साइको एनालिसिस समथिंग विल बी डन. सो थेरेपी है क्या, ये तो आप पहले समझने की बड़ा इम्पोर्टेंट है. और कैसे ये आपकी चीज़ों को सॉर्ट आउट कर सकता है ये समझने की जरूरत है, क्योंकि फाइनेंस इज वेरी क्रूशियल मैटर फॉर ह्यूमन बिहेवियर. आप कितना भी अच्छा आप सामान है, लेकिन इफ इट इज नॉट आई मीन रिलेटेड टू माय पेइंग कैपेसिटी, आई वुड नॉट बी गोइंग फॉर इट until it is a life threatening situation. तो थेरेपीज जो लखनऊ में है, एडजॉइनिंग भी है जो, तो इट रेंजेस फ्रॉम मे बी फ्रॉम 1,000 to 3,000 per session. So of course it is costing for a normal human being. Lekin there are certain other organizations also where you can go for these kind of counseling and assistance. Government is doing a lot of work there. A diverse work is there from the government side on a healthcare sector also. You go to in Lucknow, if you talk about, you go to KGMU, you go to PGI. There are certain different things are there. जहाँ पे आपको you cannot get that personalized touch with the way you can get from a therapist or counselor.
Service is available.
But the services are available and good people are there, right?
Definitely.
Of course, they have qualified. They have gone through different, thresholds, and they have proved they were there, and that is why they are there. So best of the people might be there, but then you cannot get your individual attention.
Definitely.
So you have to be very clear on this. These things are available in some other institutions as well. Like university also have this OPD, right? I myself have dealt so many cases over there. There is a procedure, of course. Nobody can reach to anybody like but there is a procedure. You see that this is what the issue I am with, I need to, and you will be allotted to a particular psychologist, counselor over there, and your things can be sorted out with no cost, right? So it is like you need to explore, you need to be guided. It is not only the payment thing कि आप पेमेंट को लेकर के आप you take a back from this. आपकी प्रॉब्लम है तो आपको कैसे सॉर्ट आउट करना, आपके अपने सर्कमस्टांसेस के हिसाब से क्या हो सकता है. There are things, there are people, there are pro bono initiatives as well. The NGOs are also doing a lot of awareness program. But जितनी ज़्यादा काम और उतनी ही ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम्स.
Because I think, ma'am, every human is very different. The problem could be same, but their reaction to it, their environment would be very different. And people need to understand कि एक approach will not work with everyone. If you see one video on anxiety, जरूरी नहीं है कि वो वीडियो आपके लिए वर्क करे.
जी. और ये भी चीज है, not only it may work for one situation specific. It is contextual as well. दूसरी सिचुएशन में नहीं वो काम करेगा. तो ये एक ही चीज मॉडल आपका बना लेना, इट इज नॉट कि हाँ हमने पढ़ने का ये तरीका बना लिया है, हम ऐसे पढ़ते हैं और यही हम करेंगे और यही करते चले जाएंगे. थिंग्स आर डायनेमिक,
नेचर एंड नर्चर,
सो मेनी थिंग्स, क्योंकि ये आपके और आपकी चीजों के बीच में, तब तो थिंग्स यू कैन बी सॉर्टेड कि दिस इज व्हाट माय वे आउट. बट most of the things are environment or surrounding oriented, contextual. क्या हो रहा है, उसने ये बोला तो हमको ये कहना था, लेकिन हम तो ये कह ही नहीं पाए. So you need to understand as to where you are looking. Not only do not work on the symptoms only, get to the core. Problem कहाँ से आ रही है? Do you lack assertiveness? Do you have certain communication issues? Do you you don't like to express your feelings being a male? नहीं हमको तो ऐसे ही किया गया है, इमोशंस मींस इट इज अ शॉर्टकमिंग, राइट, इट इज शोइंग द अदर साइड। तो ये आपको ये आप इवन एआई की भी हम लोगों ने बात करी, एआई भी आपको ये नहीं बता देगा कि कहाँ चीजें हैं, रूट कहाँ है। सो व्हेन यू वर्क ऑन रूट द फ्रूट विल बी बेटर। So this
So
should
I
be
mean, you
the idea.
should know all the theories, but when you connect to a human, connect like a human.
This is there's a saying which says that for any human problem, human is a biggest and best drug. तो ह्यूमन टू ह्यूमन कनेक्ट जो है वो आपको मेंटेन करना चाहिए, करना पड़ेगा।
Thank you so much, ma'am. And I think this is very informative for everyone. And anyone who's in Lucknow, this would work wonders.
Psychology as a profession, glamour versus ground reality. Welcome to segment 4. Hi, this is Tejaswini Dwivedi, a counseling psychologist and your co-host. As you told us about that journaling and everything is important to reanalyze things. So, जैसे मैंने आपसे क्वेश्चन पूछा था बर्नआउट के बारे में, आपने बताया था इट्स सो डिफिकल्ट फॉर यू टू हैंडल बिकॉज आप भी एक ह्यूमन हैं। तो अगर आप हमें हमारी ऑडियंस के लिए कुछ टिप्स बता दें कि हम बर्नआउट से कैसे डील करें, बिकॉज आजकल ये कॉर्पोरेट में भी, एजुकेशन फील्ड में भी, हर जगह बहुत कॉमन है इजीली बर्नआउट होना, ओवरवेल्म होना, हम कैसे उससे डील करें?
Alright. So, see, I'm not here to guide everybody, but I can share what I do usually.
Definitely.
Number one thing is, I'm kind of very fond of sleeping. तो मैं I ensure that whenever this is overwhelming, shut down, cut down, pause. कुछ नहीं, आगे नहीं सोचना, ये नहीं हो रहा है, वो करना था, ऐसे क्यों कर दिया, ये कैसे होएगा। So live in the present moment, mindfully. Things, control the controllables. You cannot control all the things. So this thing has to be there in your mind. You are not there to fix every problem, right? You have to prioritize. क्या बहुत important है, और कुछ इधर से उधर हो जाए, आप अपने लिए सबसे important आप खुद हैं। So take good care of yourself. मैं उस केस में जब बहुत इस तरह की चीज़ें होती हैं, आई इंश्योर अ लेजी डे, इट सेव्स मी फ्रॉम मेनी ऑफ द थिंग्स एंड आई एम एबल टू सॉर्ट आल्सो कि अच्छा ठीक है, आफ्टर लेजी डे वेयर आई हैव टू स्टार्ट विद, मे बी बहुत सी चीज़ें हम एक साथ करने के चक्कर में वी आर जगलिंग सो मेनी बॉल्स ऑल टुगेदर, और यू नो सब जगह पे एक क्राइटेरिया चल रहा है, यहाँ पे आपको ऐसे करना है, मम्मा है तो आपको ऐसे करना है, टीचर है तो आपको ऐसे करना है, if you are doing some freelancing, so people have expectations for this. लेकिन इन सब चीज़ों में आपको सबसे पहले अपने को जरूर प्रायोरिटाइज करना है, और आपको देखना है बिकॉज यू कैन नॉट फेच फ्रॉम द एम्प्टी वेसल, सो यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड हमारा अपने आप को जब बहुत कुछ हो रहा है तो हम ये सोचते हैं कि आदमी को रुक जाना चाहिए, थम जाओ वहीं पे, गो स्लो। बहुत कुछ नहीं होना इज नॉट कि यू आर लैकिंग समवेयर। हाँ, फोमो वाला आपका कॉन्सेप्ट नहीं आया।
डेफिनेटली
देयर इज अनदर कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ जोमो।
Yes, ma'am. Joy of missing out.
Joy of missing out. And see and find out who is reaching you when you are not reaching to them. You are available for everybody, but a healer also need healing. So that this does not get transferred to another person. So in that case, take a pause, sit quietly, reanalyze कि आपको क्यों भाग रहे हो, क्या करना क्या है, और जो करना है वो आपके ऊपर अगर ये इम्पोज किया हुआ चीज है तो आपको जरूर बर्डन लगेगा, बट व्हेन यू आर डूइंग समथिंग व्हिच यू रियली एंजॉय तो ये आपको बर्डन नहीं लगेगा, एंड नहीं लगना चाहिए कि हम उस समय आपको ये देखना है कि एटलीस्ट बीइंग अ साइकोलॉजिस्ट हाउ मेनी लाइव्स यू आर टचिंग, how many people are you are reachable to the people.
पॉजिटिव पर्सपेक्टिव
पॉजिटिव पर्सपेक्टिव से आप चीजों को देखें, ये नहीं कि हमारे ऊपर ये भी दे दिया वो भी दे दिया, और हमको तो ये लगता है कि अगर कोई आपको कुछ काम एक्स्ट्रा देता भी है, सो बिकॉज यू माइट बी हैविंग दैट क्रेडेंशियल्स विद यू, किसी ने देखा है, तो वही बात है कि हीरे को तो एक जौहर ही पहचानेगा ना, और अगर आपको एक्स्ट्रा काम मिला है, see if you can do it, it is in your capabilities, it is in your abilities. If not, what you can do. So एक पॉजिटिव इससे कि हाँ ये किया जा सकता है, लेकिन इसके लिए हमको ये चीजों की जरूरत पड़ेगी, सो यू विल नॉट बी दैट स्ट्रेट आउट। तो ये बहुत ज्यादा नहीं होता, ऑफ एंड ऑन रहता है, लेकिन उस केस में हम जरूर वहां पे अपने को शट करेंगे, पॉज करेंगे, I'll go to sleep, अच्छे से खूब सोना मेरे को बहुत पसंद है, and mindfully thinking कि अब हमें आगे करना क्या है.
बिल्कुल मैम.
Right?
तो
So this can work out. I think जनरल चीजें हैं जो हर आदमी का अपना कुछ हो सकता है. मे बी म्यूजिक, yes, I'm fond of music. कुछ इस तरह की गैदरिंग्स में जाना, कुछ फ्रेंड्स के साथ एंजॉय करना, बिकॉज वही वाली चीज की ह्यूमन नीड ह्यूमन. आपका सबसे मे बी टॉक टू योर सम कॉन्फिडेंट सम फ्रेंड, किसी से अपनी बात शेयर करिए, बट बी केयरफुल कि हाउ व्हाट to what extent you are sharing
communication with boundaries basically.
Yes, and boundaries also means कि आप अपने इमोशंस को पहले समझिए. तो हमको अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है, जो एक चीज अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है, अरे क्यों नहीं अच्छा लग रहा है, इमीडिएटली क्या हुआ, एनालाइज द सिचुएशन. कब तक अच्छा लग रहा था, कब से बुरा लगना शुरू हुआ, ऐसा क्या हुआ इस बीच में, और क्या जो हुआ उसको आप अंडू कर सकते हो. नहीं तो गो विद द फ्लो.
टू सम अप, तो आप
एक्सेप्टेंस तो आपको
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. तो यस, टू सम अप, इट्स नेसेसरी टू टेक दैट रेस्ट. एक लेजी डे रखो, बट उसको रीएनालाइज करो अपनी चीजों को, एंड इफ यू आर फीलिंग बर्न आउट, गिव योर दैट टाइम टू योरसेल्फ.
यस, वेरी
All right. So, ma'am, moving forward, I have this question that you are dealing with a lot of students, you're training a lot of students. So, what is that one concern which is coming up to you when you teach them in psychology? Like, अगर मैं आपको personally अपनी चीजें बताऊं, तो मैंने देखा आजकल हर कोई लाइफ कोच है, माइंडसेट गुरु है, कोई भी डिप्लोमा करके साइकोलॉजिस्ट बता देता है अपने आप को, कोई भी सिर्फ यूजी करके एक प्रोफेशनल फील्ड में. तो मतलब मैम, ऑथेंटिक क्या है? हाउ दिस इज ऑथेंटिक? क्या चीज करने के बाद ऑथेंटिक है? क्योंकि मुझे लगता है एक वीकेंड का कोर्स करने के बाद लोग अपने आप को साइकोलॉजिस्ट बता देते हैं.
सो थिंग इज दैट कि अगर आई डू नॉट कंडेम द पीपल हु वांट टू सर्व द सोसाइटी. ठीक है, आपका है, अगर आप करना चाह रहे हैं, सो गो थ्रू प्रॉपर एकेडमिक स्ट्रक्चर. समझिए उस चीज को. पीपल हैव इन्वेस्टेड देयर इयर्स इनटू दिस बाय डूइंग जस्ट 3 days or 3 months certification, and you are calling yourself, you know, or maybe a diploma even. साल भर में आपने जो 5 साल 7 साल में जो आदमी सीख करके बैठा है, कैन यू कम्पीट? Yes, you need to upskill yourself. Good enough. आप अपने लिए कर रहे हैं बहुत, लेकिन do not spoil others' life. You will be accountable for this. So you must understand कि just आपने कंटेंट क्रिएशन के लिए आपने इसको यूज कर लिया, और यू जस्ट you are developing a business model out of it, generating revenue out of it. So this profession is not revenue oriented. This is people centric.
Definitely.
A lot of intensive skill work is required. A lot of emotional upgradation and development is required. तो आप इसको केवल यहीं तक मत रखिए. हम बिल्कुल, क्योंकि आई हैव टॉट पीपल फ्रॉम द ग्रेजुएशन लेवल टू पीजी लेवल एज वेल, और हमको लगता है कि थोड़ा सा ये साइकोलॉजी में इस चीज को भी थोड़ा रिस्ट्रिक्शंस होना चाहिए कि एनीबॉडी फ्रॉम एनी स्ट्रीम कैन जंप इनटू पीजी साइकोलॉजी.
बिल्कुल
शुड नॉट बी देयर. कोई ब्रिज कोर्स कराइए कम से कम, जिससे ग्रेजुएशन का जो 3 साल का बच्चा सीख करके आया है उसके एट पार आए वो आदमी पहले, और उसके बाद वो पीजी करे. राइट. ये इसको क्या हो रहा है कि अब साइकोलॉजी लोगों के लिए मतलब वंस इट वाज लाइक इन आवर टाइम कि पागलों का सब्जेक्ट है और इसकी कोई जरूरत नहीं है, नोबडी केयर्स. नाउ एवरीबॉडी, यू टेल द पीपल दैट यू आर अ साइकोलॉजिस्ट एंड दे हैव अ इशू टू डिस्कस.
डेफिनेटली.
तो आपने वो सारी चीजें जो फाउंडेशनल वर्क से सीखी हैं, उसके बाद आप यू स्टैंड टॉल एज अ बिल्डिंग. केवल 15 दिन का सर्टिफिकेट, 1 साल का सर्टिफिकेट, डिप्लोमा, ये कैसे आप क्यों इस चीजों को इतना मैनिपुलेट वे में, बड़े फ्लूइड वे में आप इसको डाल देते हैं. एनीबॉडी कैन बी साइकोलॉजिस्ट दैट वे. आई हैव डन मेनी ऑफ द प्रोग्राम्स. वहाँ पे मिलते हैं कि हमें लगता है कि अरे सब साइकोलॉजिस्ट एंड गॉट टू नो कि कोई इंजीनियरिंग बैकग्राउंड से है, कोई आर्किटेक्चर से है. Now everybody is psychologist.
Everyone is
ठीक
coming
है,
up.
आप करना चाह रहे हैं, सीखना चाह रहे हैं, पहले सीखिए तो सही. केवल ऑनलाइन कोर्सेज आपको आपकी नॉलेज के लिए, इट में ऐड इन योर सीवी as a skill that you have learned, but you need to practice it on the ground. Then you get to know as to how much demanding it is, right? तो थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे हमको एक रिस्ट्रिक्शन जरूर हम इंस्टीट्यूशंस की तरफ से होना चाहिए कि पीजी के लेवल पे आपके पास यूजी साइकोलॉजी जरूर होना चाहिए. देन ओनली यू कैन डू पीजी, और यू डू सम काइंड ऑफ सर्टिफिकेशन, अ ब्रिज कोर्स फ्रॉम अ रेप्यूटेड यूनिवर्सिटी, एंड देन यू आर अलाउड टू डू अ पीजी. It should not be open to everybody. Multidisciplinary is there, I understand, but then आपको अगर हम ही अपने बच्चों को नहीं प्रोटेक्ट करेंगे तो who else is going to do it, right?
Totally agree, ma'am.
Right.
We have been facing such issues myself also. Like I've done my UG, PG. We come across many people who have done their MBA in certain things, certain bachelor courses, but they come up as psychologists. So I want to add to this point that this is a skill but not a profession. Thank you so much for telling us this, and we will be moving to our next segment. This is a very important segment, and I want every one of you to be aware of it. Ma'am, I would like you to explain us about POSH.
All right. So, POSH is prevention of sexual harassment at work, and it is a safety net for all the women at the workplace. It's something, there is a legality behind it that any organization having 10 or people in the organization have to have their internal complaint committee, ICC we call it, and then they have to conduct certain program on awareness. They have to make the environment approachable, management approachable and open to listen to these complaints. These things, when it comes to sexual, it is not only physical. This is all, the virtual, the emotional, uh, small, some people use certain slangs for women, right? And maybe some body shaming, something on their perspective towards the life,
Hmm.
right? So these all are the things one has to be very guarded of.
Hmm.
You need to know as to what all comes into this. It is not that you will be touched only and then only you will be escalating it to the management. Even a small incident of somebody calling you from names, right, this is also under us. So this is a very extensive field and very crucial in terms of the psychologist as well, the counseling psychologist. If you are aware of the recent incident which took place there in IIM
Yes,
Calcutta,
ma'am.
right? So you have to be safe. Counselors, everybody is there for counseling, but then you are at risk. You, of course, you have to come out of your comfort zone,
Comfort zone.
but risk to what extent, right? And what are the mechanism in case you get caught? Then what are the mechanism?
Hmm.
How to go about it? So this is something you need to abreast yourself with. What is this POSH, and what are the uh, procedure
Hmm.
filing a complaint, and
Hmm.
how it has to be escalated? What are the timelines to keep in mind, right? Many of the
Definitely.
things are there. So the detailing of the same can be done through these training programs and awareness program.
As
So
you are
many organizations themselves are responsible to
definitely.
get it done,
All
right?
right, all right. As you are a trainer yourself, so can you take us to your experience, and if you can tell us any misuse or use of this?
See, I would not say that misuse is not there,
Hmm.
because people use it as a mechanism also against another person, and this may be spoiling someone's career.
Hmm.
Someone can disturb on a functional aspect, right?
Hmm.
The financial, the
Hmm.
psychological.
Hmm.
So can you take the burden of someone's life on you? Can you take it, right? So it has to be very cautious, but it is there, and it should not be there. You have to do whatever you are doing, has to have a reason behind it, a logic behind it, not only emotional, that you are governed from these emotions, that somebody is not giving you due attention,
Hmm.
and you want to take a step on this. This should
Hmm.
not be used as a mechanism there, and there has to be something pertaining to the other gender as well.
Definitely, ma'am. Thank you for giving such awareness to the people listening out there. At last, I want to wind up with saying that there are a lot of psychology aspirants watching you today. They are scared, they are in fear that what to do, what not to, and they are excited also. So, any one guidance or any one thing you want to tell them that would give them a motivation and to start with?
All right. So I would say that you must start psychology using on your own self. Number one,
Definitely.
we are being taught this is how you must see others, this is what you should do, what you should do on yourself. This is a very indigenous part. which need to be taught.
Very important.
And I would definitely recommend relating it to our deep-rooted and Asian aspect of India, the traditional one, how we have been brought up, what are the basic values and morals, and something related to the norms, the society, because we are into collective society.
Yes.
Right. What we are being taught in psychology these days is more of a Western
Yes.
aspect, and Western have their, they have individualistic society,
Hmm.
that this is you, this is your name, this is your profession, this is your problem, you deal with it.
Hmm.
Whereas our system was, we belong to a collective society, right? So you are not you are a child of somebody, you are a mother of somebody, you are a wife of somebody, you are father of this person, or maybe you are the bread earner of the family. So we have a collective society. Problems are also collective,
Yes, ma'am.
right? So we sit and talk. So these things, especially Indian rooted psychology, need to be taken due concern, due deeds over there. And for the students, I would definitely say that there will always be a time that you will be confused कि ये मैंने करना था, उसमें तो ये प्रोसीजर लिखा था, ये थेरेपी में ऐसे ऐसे लिखा था, मैंने ये नहीं किया, so I am a fail. No, you are not a fail. You can be a masterpiece and a progress at the same time.
Learning from your mistakes
Yes,
and learning
you
from
learn,
things.
you unlearn, you develop, you grow.
Definitely.
तो आप इस हिसाब से चलते रहिए. डार्क है, बहुत ओपन चीजें नहीं है, क्योंकि बहुत स्ट्रक्चर्ड चीजें नहीं है, राइट? फॉर ऑल प्रोफेशन देयर आर स्ट्रक्चर्स कि आप ये कर लिए और देन यू कैन डू दिस. यहाँ पे बहुत स्ट्रक्चर्ड चीजें नहीं है, तो इसलिए थोड़ा सा डाइल्यूट फॉर्म में चीजों को आपको एक्सेप्ट करना पड़ेगा, आगे बढ़ना होगा और चलते रहेंगे. आप
सम अप करेंगे हम यही कह के कि वेस्टर्न की तरफ बढ़ तो रहे हैं, लेकिन इंडियन साइकोलॉजी को हम ना भूलें. सो वी शुड बी हैविंग अ नॉलेज ऑफ
बोथ द थिंग्स. और अपने लिए एक ये किसी मेरी एक टीचर ने हमको बोला था कि इसको आप लाइफ के लिए लें कि युद्ध नहीं जिनके जीवन में, वो भी बड़े अभागे होंगे, या तो प्रण को तोड़ा होगा या तो रण से भागे होंगे.
डेफिनेटली मैम.
सो दिस इज पार्ट ऑफ योर लाइफ. लाइफ आपकी ऐसे ही चलेगी,
सिखाएगी.
दुख आएंगे, आपको जीना है, उन्हीं के साथ जीना है और सीखना है और आगे बढ़ना है. दिस इज व्हाट साइकोलॉजी इज ऑल अबाउट, एंड we are proud psychologists.
We are proud psychologists. Thank you, ma'am, for coming here. You have given us such awareness on few things, and this what you said is आपके जीवन में युद्ध भी होना चाहिए जिससे आप चीजें सीखो.
सीखेंगे.
So thank you so much, ma'am, for coming.
Thank you so much for inviting me over here. It was a pleasure being here.
Psychology is not always soft,
Healing isn't always pretty.
but the process is powerful. And that's a wrap from all of us at Inside the Minds.
If this episode sparks something in you, any of the confused students, psychology aspirants, do not forget to follow us on Inside the Minds.
Until next time, this is Tejaswini.
This is Nandini.
And this is Sanjana
Signing off.